fucking these same hoes, drink the same water, looking at the same Starbucks, about to make the shit happen.
Spanish girl mixed with Creole.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Hey besties, hey, my name is JP. If you've never seen me before, welcome. If you're returning, hey, Mookie Butt. Okay, so today's video is going to be a Sunday reset, and you know, we already did our hygiene stuff. We finna just hop straight into the video.
Always tell me I'm an asshole. Tennis on my neck like I'm Big 4. 550 Willie on door. All these girls on my tattoos. I ain't a player, but I had to. She wanna do it in a bathroom, so we did it in a bathroom. Need a real bitch, no man tie. I told her slide like midnight.
I took a shower and everything. I just put some more night clothes on because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be inside the house cleaning and stuff. So yeah, we got a package, and yep, let's go ahead and open her up. This is actually pretty dangerous how I'm holding the scissors. Let's put it together. It's a 10-inch. It comes with a stand for a camera. They said it does. Yeah, I did an impulsive buy. I don't think I told y'all that, but I impulsively bought this because I know I actually needed it. I know goodness well this thing is not that short. I need it longer. I might. Cause okay. Oh. Y'all about to say. I'm like, I know goodness well this thing was not that short, bro. Okay, it's not. It's as bright as it is. And it has settings on and off, up and down, and then it changes. I'll link this in my storefront as well if anyone's interested. Especially if you're on a phone, this is more convenient. Just because my camera, I know goodness well it's not going to stay how it's sitting right now. So yeah. Okay, let's go and finish cleaning this room.
She wanted sex and red wine. Dog, I'm a canine. Yeah, I'm a dog. Lonzo, bitch, I'm a ball. I told her she could have it all. My hoes in love. She a bad bitch without no makeup. She told my language, I pull her up. First time in a long time. Burning deeply inside. First time in a long time. Burning deeply inside. First time in a long time. First time in a long time.
find a YouTube video to watch. Eat some white chocolate and strawberries. Yeah, might just snack on that real quick. I'll get back to y'all when I'm done cleaning, washing clothes, all that good stuff.
To break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, if karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not disadvertised. There's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like come be in the humble club. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna put in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game go stupid, snapping like a toothpick. Trying to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
It's my flash because my feet are currently soaking, but that's what we're about to get into. So the last part of today's video is going to be me doing a pedicure, an at-home pedicure. I may not record just because I don't have anywhere to set up the phone. I meant my camera, but I'm gonna try to get a few clips off my phone, or I'll just try to get a few clips off the camera. We'll see. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to show y'all, and right now we're just gonna have them soak for about a good 15-20 minutes. Nail salon who? And then I got all the stuff I need to scrub my feet. We got a little pumice stone. I don't know how you pronounce it. And this thing, I got all this stuff up here. This foot file and all that stuff. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm here to close the vlog out. It's the new day. I'm currently already dressed and stuff because I have class at 1. It's 11:47. And that last clip that y'all saw, I want y'all to know my feet were not dirty, okay? My feet were not dirty. The color of that water came from the bath salts I put in there. I put some, like, I don't know what I put, but it smells so good. It's like a soaking salt. That's what it's called. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what it is. It's soaking salts. What was I saying? Oh yeah, this is what I use. That's why that water looked like a little orange, because I know y'all like, dang girl, your feet is mad dirty. No, they're not. It's this. And if y'all do ever see this, get it. It smells so good. It's sweet almond and vanilla bean. It smells so good. But yeah, I'm just here to close out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, besties.